All right, let's switch gears right now. Talk a little bit about the weather because there's a lot to get into here, Anne Moran. There's a bit of a change coming our way too.
And I haven't had any complaints
no,
yet. I think everyone is eagerly anticipating these changes. We still have upper 80s and low 90s right now, though. Clyde Warren Park sitting with sunny skies, 91 degrees, a southeast wind at 13 miles an hour. Just kind of looking at the next few hours, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, eventually mostly clear skies, but 83 with partly cloudy skies by 9 o'clock. And then a lot of red on the board for tomorrow and Thursday. Really, the red should be highlighting this 100% here. 100% coverage. I think everyone is going to see rain as we head into tomorrow night and the possibility of some stronger storms as well. So looking at tomorrow's forecast just hour by hour, I'm not expecting much going on during the morning hours. And then even into the afternoon, 20% coverage. And I'll show you where we may have a better chance of seeing storms during the day tomorrow. Temperatures should be able to get into the upper 80s and low 90s. You notice by 5 o'clock, 40% coverage, so it's into the late afternoon and evening hours where we really start to see things getting going. Now, looking at the map for tomorrow, highs expected. You kind of see this very distinct line from McKinney to Dallas to Waxahachie and farther out to the west. That's where I'm not expecting as much rain during the daytime hours tomorrow. To the east, though, where you see temperatures in the mid and upper 80s, that's likely where we're going to have some scattered storms during the day. The possibility of a few stronger storms, but this isn't what we're concerned with. What we're going to watch for are the storms that develop and move in from the northwest later in the afternoon. So I think for areas in Montague County and a little farther out to the north and west, we'll start to watch around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we'll get a line kind of rolling in. And the Storm Prediction Center agreeing with our thinking, now shifting this level 2 slight risk to include all of the Metroplex, a good bit of North Texas, in fact. We're talking about damaging winds, the threat for some isolated large hail, and then what we're really concerned with, heavy rain and flooding as things really start to get going. So first alert futurecast, here's midday tomorrow, Wednesday, and it's got the scattered showers and storms that I was talking about for some of our eastern counties. This is why those high temperatures are only going to get into the mid and upper 80s as compared to everyone else getting into the upper 80s and low 90s, just not seeing as much rain. Notice by 5 o'clock, start to see some storms moving in from the northwest. So these are the storms that we're expecting to be severe if we get any severe storms associated with that cold front. Here we are at 6 o'clock. We do have some scattered showers and even isolated storms kind of working their way in from the east, but still watching these storms out to the west for their strength. Now, once we get into the 8, 9 o'clock hour, cold front is working its way in. We've got a line of storms working their way in as well. This is where the threat, I think, for damaging winds and that very large hail would be as well, and certainly that heavy rain threat as well. We're going to have storms that are producing a lot of rain over a short period of time. Once we get to midnight, we still have a lot of activity going on in North Texas. The worst of it probably moving south and east of the Metroplex, but into Kaufman County, into Ellis and Navarro County, Hill County, Limestone, Freestone County. That's where we're seeing a lot of this. Now, by 3:45, 4 o'clock in the morning, this may be wrapping up for a lot of us. And then we've got cloudy skies in the morning into the afternoon. We're starting to see that clearing. Then the cool weather kind of works its way into Friday. You notice by the weekend, we've got lows in the 50s and high temperatures in the 70s.
Aaron, thank you very much.